silence, I hear you louder than my fears. You remind me who I am, that I am safe in your perfect love. You see
for today's video, we're cooking.
Finding happiness or contentment in simple things.
Okay, I don't know if it's cooking per se, but this is what I'm making. We're making lasagna. I don't know how people pronounce it, but I pronounce it as lasagna. Let's see how it goes. I've never made lasagna by myself. I've never made it at all. Yeah, I've never made lasagna. This is my first time, so you know.
Meat sauce. Heat oil in a saucepan. Add onion, carrots, and garlic. Cook until soft.
Yo guys, I was busy on my phone and these are the results. I burnt the thing a little bit. Look. See? This is why our parents don't want us to have. Okay, I'm putting
Add beef mince. Cook until brown.
I'm doing it this way because it's frozen in the middle. I didn't take it out in the afternoon. I literally just put it in hot water now, so yeah, it's a bit frozen.
Stir in tomato paste, canned tomatoes, and chicken stock. Salt. Season with salt.
I just like it.
Pepper and nutmeg. I don't have nutmeg, so I'm not gonna use that.
I also add mixed herbs, but I already have some in here. Okay, well, I need to refill that, but yeah. It's not weed, guys. It's mixed herbs. I feel like putting some paprika. Okay, yeah. Oh, that was actually cayenne pepper. Damn. Okay. Here is paprika. I'll be using this cheese because it's the only cheese that we have. I don't even know different types of cheese and which cheese I shouldn't use and all that. But the box does say use mozzarella or cheddar cheese. Same thing. I just realized that I forgot to put salt in the mince. So, you know, let me just clean up the stove a bit because, yeah, no. And add salt to the mix. Not too much though. I hate how slowly it comes out of this thing. It's for the meds. And it's done. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. But it looks like I put so much oil even though I didn't. It doesn't make sense, but it's fine. It's fine.
I don't know about y'all, but this is giving Outer Banks. I think it's just because of the train, because in the last season there's like trains and stuff. Yeah. taking a break from reality.
Your hidden glory in creation, now revealed in you, our Christ. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. You sing. You didn't want heaven without us. So Jesus, you brought heaven down.
Being at peace in a peaceful environment. An example of my quiet time. So I basically just went to the lake to read and enjoy the nature. And I ended up just walking around for like 30 minutes. Can you imagine? Okay, not even 30 minutes, like 45 minutes to an hour. Because I then discovered this winter garden, which I've never noticed before. And my gosh, it was so beautiful. All the flowers. At first, I'm not gonna lie, I was scared to go in because, guys, we've all watched the movies. We know what happens when you get to a place like this. And I just stood there for like 5 minutes trying to see like, is anything gonna come out? Then I just got over myself and I remembered that God is always with me. So there is nothing to fear, okay? So yeah, I just walked in, I walked around. I saw the beautiful flowers. There was like a mini pond, and then I saw this tunnel. I really wish I had someone to take pictures of me, and there were people that came in later, but obviously I was too shy to ask a random person to just take pictures of me. So you see, I tried to do the 0.5 zoom thing and just, you know, take videos and pictures, but yeah. Sitting alone listening to them.
Please wait for assistance.
Ooh, look at the sun.
It's sunny. Ooh, wait a damn minute.
Oh. Wait a damn minute. The after is a transition.
Yo, we got the light up.
Kurt.
Yeah.
The dips.
He wanted to say the dip.
Hi guys, it's Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Damn, Tuesday. Okay. I don't know. Today, we'll see how it goes. That's such a bad intro, but hi guys. I don't know. I'm having an outfit crisis. Sorry, camera. I'm having an outfit crisis, but at the same time, it's like, Kim, this outfit is okay, you know? And I'm thinking of just pairing it with my boots. I obviously have to clean them, but yeah, these boots. And I don't know if I want a brown tote bag, this one, or this one. This or this.
What a wonderful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus.
Vlogging in public is so embarrassing, guys. I'm always advising my friends, like, act like you're talking to someone on FaceTime when you're vlogging, but like, this is so embarrassing. I'm almost at the library. I just have to return a book, and then I'll be on my way home. But guys, it's so embarrassing. Please look at these steps, bro. I have to go all the way up there. All the way. When I got to the library, I just decided to take a video, you know? Make an aesthetic edit. And I think I did kind of good. I don't know, you guys judge. And then after that, I just went home. And then I met up with a friend later, but I obviously didn't vlog because Kim is shy of vlogging in public, you know? So I guess living to me is being able to depend on God. As you guys saw in the vlog, I was scared. Okay, well, I couldn't really see how scared I was, but I was afraid of going into that rose garden, but remembering that God is always with me. Like, that's my number one, you know? So I guess prioritizing God, going on walks and appreciating the nature around me, having quiet time, you know, just taking a break from life and all the pressures around, just hanging out with family and friends, having a good outfit. No matter how what insignificant the place that I'm going to is. As you guys saw that I was literally just going to the library, but I had makeup, I had a good fit, all of that. So I guess that's what living to me is. Having God as my number one, having friends and family around, and just having a place that I can go to when everything just becomes too much. And just be alone with God and my thoughts, you know? So yeah, I'm also just trying to figure out my way of vlogging. I'm not sure if I said this before, but I don't know, I'm just figuring it out. And I'd actually like to know what is living to you guys. Even though you guys don't comment on my videos, it's okay. Like, now I'm giving you the chance to. This is so cringe. No, it's not. Okay. What is living to you?